filed on Monday by Tahiru Seidu Daura, a co-defendant to Aisha Alkali Wakil, popularly known as Mama Boko Haram, has been dismissed by Justice Umaru Fadao of the Borno State High Court. Daura is facing trial alongside Prince Lawal Shoyade and Wakil. They had earlier been arraigned on Thursday, March 5th, 2020 by the Maiduguri Zonal Command of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for fraudulently obtaining the sum of 25 million naira. A statement by the EFCC said the defendants allegedly obtained the sum from one Adam Mustafa Muhammad, the CEO of Karam Global Enterprises, under the guise of supply 7 X-ray machines model 1600 and solar brand worth 25 million naira to Karam Global Enterprises. The Ebonyi State Governor Dave Umahi on Monday said that God will give Nigeria a president who has a good heart like President Muhammad Buhari for the good of the country in 2023. Umahi spoke while addressing a State House correspondents after meeting with the President Muhammad Buhari at the Presidential Villa Abuja. The governor praised the president on some landmark projects in the southeast, especially the second Niger Bridge, which he said was becoming a reality. The award of the Eastern Corridor of the railway line, which he said will accelerate commercial activities in the region as well. The Nigerian currency weakened further against the dollar at the parallel market on Monday, despite the rise in the country's foreign exchange reserves. The forex reserves, which fell to a record low of $33.9 billion on July 12th, has risen to the highest level in more than 3 months. The Punch also gathered that on Friday, that the naira plunged into a fresh record of low of 5.30 against the dollar on Thursday amid the lingering scarcity of forex in the country. The value of the naira fell further to 532 naira to a dollar at the parallel market on Monday. The group managing director of the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, Mele Kyari, has said that the earliest the corporation can issue its initial public offer to investors in the next 3 years. The NNPC boss disclosed this on Monday during an interview on Bloomberg TV Global Financial News, monitored by Punch newspaper correspondent, made the announcement saying it is one of the outcomes of the Petroleum Industry Act recently signed on the state-owned corporation in the global market. Speaking on the impact of the PIA on the NNPC, Kyari said the corporation would now be operated in line with the Companies and Allied Act. The equities market of the Nigerian Exchange Limited declined by 4.23 billion naira at the end of trading on Monday. Sell-offs in consumer-related goods stocks. The NGX All-Share Index declined by a marginal 0.02%, closing at 33,258.9 basis points from 39,259.82 basis points on Friday, while the market capitalization dropped to 20.45 trillion naira to 20.56 trillion naira. The traded volume on Monday rose by 17.00% to 210.95 million shares, valued at about 1.38 billion naira. The Niger State Internal Revenue Service assured the branches of 8 banks and other organizations over 456.7 million naira unpaid tax liability. The executive chairman of the service, Mohammed Etsu, said in Mina on Monday that the exercise was carried out in line with the provisions of relevant tax laws. Etsu said all efforts by the service to enable the defaulting organizations to pay their respective tax liabilities yielded no positive results. He called on other debtors to pay their outstanding tax liabilities to avoid the sealing of their offices by the service. This is the midday news. Do join me on the afternoon business show, and as more breaking news stories with me here in the studio, I'll be sure to let you know. My name is Regina Agada. Good afternoon.